Hey guys, I'm on the second job of the day. This is also 4 areas of carpet, with one being steps and a walk-in closet. We got everything set up there. They did also have some pet areas of concern, and we identified that using our light there for Pet Pro package. They did get all areas treated. So we're doing the carpet cleaning for $240, and then we identified 2 areas that needed it, so that's $90. They did not want the protection of Scotchgard because they're selling it, or they sold it actually. So they did not get the protection, but they did want to get it, suspended in terms of the Pet Pro package to release the urine salts. So we did that for them today, and as you can see, this is a Brisé carpet. Held it pretty good. We already pre-treated these areas and agitated it, so we're letting that dwell some more. And then we're gonna go ahead and steam it out, and that should be a wrap. Again, guys, make sure the best way to take care of carpet is to get it cleaned every 12 to 18 months. Of course, we always leave our clients information about our services, everything that we do offer. She did want to inquire about duct cleaning, so we did give her a duct cleaning brochure as well. So, but yeah, guys, that's what we're doing. We got our other technician agitating the fibers right now using our CRB. As you can see, it's responding very well. And stay tuned for some after work. All right, guys, thanks for watching. All right, guys, we are CRB in the carpets. This is what we do whenever you guys get the Pet Pro package. It actually agitates all fiber yarns to help get into the subfloor of where the urine is. So this actually helps immerse it and suspend it. So we're just agitating all the fibers, reset the memory pile as well, lifting the fibers up, and that's what the CRB does, which stands for counter rotating brush. And a lot of the hair and stuff also goes in this little chamber right there, which works great. As you can see, it helps also suspend and break up the soil load, which is what we want. So, yep. So anytime you get the Pet Pro package, we also include the CRB in that service. All right, guys. Big difference. Responding well, guys, you can see. About 230 degrees right now. Beautiful.